salutation to the pleasance. Pleasance means pleasure. According English language, Sanskrit language, Hindi language, Nepali language. Salutation to the pleasance. Anandam Saranam Gacchami. Sanskrit. Anandam Saranam Gacchami. परमात्मा ने नमः. परमात्मा को नमन करता हूँ. आनंद मात्र को अभिवादन करता हूँ. चिदानंद को अभिवादन गर्दछु. चिदानंद को. About pleasance, about pleasure, full of pleasure. आनंद ही आनंद. आनंद परमानंद. According Sanskrit, आनंद परमानंद. सबोध तोम सुखम चर. A teacher says to his lovely student that Ananda Paramananda. Ananda Paramananda. Sabodha Sukham Tom Sukham Chara. Only according pleasance pass the time. According from the pleasance, from full of pleasure. Because truth we can get from only one, that is God. We can permanently pleasure from only one, that is God, which is full of pleasure, which is self-enlightened, which is always immortal. So we can get truth, always truth from one, not more than one. More than one, always very short time. More than one, we get very for the short time. Likewise, man and woman, very short life, very short life. Individually, not sure up to the evening, up to the tomorrow. No one can say, guarantee, whether physical body individually can live up to the evening or up to the tomorrow. But the sure, there is where we realize pure consciousness. Pure consciousness. Always pleasure can be possible from only pure consciousness, from pure intelligence. The pleasure from the physical body and physical world, very short time, that also duplicate, not original. So, for our permanent pleasure, the source is only the pure consciousness. Only the source from pure consciousness, which is one, which is always one. According Sanskrit, drashta, from the word of drashta, we can know the God. Uh, says world teacher Ashtavakra, most famous teacher Ashtavakra says Drashta, according to Sanskrit, Drashta, Eka Drashta, one Drashta, one knower, knower, knowing, known, knowledge. Knowledge means God. Knowledge means pure consciousness. Knowledge we can get through Drashta word, according to Sanskrit. Drashta, who looks all the world. But the knower, looker, that is always different from the sincerity. Drashta, always truth, because drashta means concerning God. According to Sanskrit, the most teacher, the most famous teacher of the world, Ashtavakra, he says, Eka drashta asi sarvasya. Eka drashta asi sarvasya. दृष्टा ही सबका सब कुछ है, एक दृष्टा असी सर्वस्व, एक दृष्टा ही सब कुछ है, अर्थात पूरा आनंद भर मिलेगा, केवल आनंद ही आनंद मिलेगा जहां मौत का संस्कार नहीं है. नो कल्चर ऑफ डेथ. According pure consciousness, which is God, which is our immortal life, immortal element, that is full of pleasure, Ananda Paramanand, Sabodha Tom Sukham Chara. Why he says, Yatra Vishwam, according to Sanskrit, Yatra Vishwam idam bhati, Kalpitam Rajju Sarvavat. Yatra Vishwam idam bhati kalpitam Rajju Sarvavat. Likewise, for example, snake. The truth is a rope, but false experience of the snake. For example, the truth always one, that is God, that is pure consciousness, that we are that means pure consciousness, full of pleasure. But the world, 3 days or 5 days, the top teacher of the world from the knowledge point of view, that is Ashtavakra, he says the world is of 3 days or 5 days. Like this he says, according to Sanskrit, Swapne Indrajalavat Pasya Dinani Trini Panchava. Means likewise dream. The world exactly dream. That also short dream. And that also magic. Exactly magic. Dream or magic, the world. So he says, according to Sanskrit, Mitra Chhatra Dhana Garadar Dayadi Sampada. He says according to Sanskrit, In Sanskrit language, the facts, the truth, universal truth, always truth, immortal truth we can get because Sanskrit language is the language of God, which is most ancient. Uh, and in all language of the world has reflected Sanskrit word uh, anywhere, somewhere we can get because Sanskrit language is the most ancient language of the world. Sanskrit is the language of God. So he says about the world, the time, the duration, 3 days or 5 days, he says. So the fact is always pleasure, full of pleasure, Ananda Paramanand. Today, according date, today means 2025. New Year, the first month, 31, the last date of first month, January. Today, Friday. And according Hinduism, Magh Shukla Paksha Ditya Tithi. Ditya Tithi Shukravara. According Nepali Vikram Samvata date 2031, Magh Mahina 18 Gate Shukravara. This presenting from Nepal country. Nepal country means where is the highest from the earth point of view, highest point, Everest, Himalaya. Nepal means where is highest Himalayan according physical structure of the earth. Nepal means the country where Lord Buddha had born. From Nepal country, from Nepal Bhairava city, from Parasi city, from Palpa Tansen city, from Butol city, through FM radios, presenting by President of Immortal Pleasant Center, according Nepali Akhanda Sukha Kendra, and presenting by President named Balram Jishi, title Sadhvit Pradip Saraswati. If I don't say the clear introduction, then how other internationally can know? So, should give information, should give introduction. So I am telling. According Hindi and Nepalese language, आनंद परमानंद ही हम लोगों का असली स्वरूप है। आनंद परमानंद, जहाँ मृत्यु का संस्कार नहीं है, जहाँ जन्म मृत्यु का संस्कार नहीं है, वो है आनंद परमानंद रूप परमात्मा ब्रह्मा सच्चिदानंद। चिदानंद, सच्चिदानंद, परमात्मानंद, आत्मानंद हम लोगों का असली स्वरूप है। उसी को जानना होगा। जानने के लिए दृष्टा से हम लोग परमात्मा में पहुंच जाएंगे। परमात्मा का मतलब आनंद ही आनंद है। आनंद आनंद हामीहरूको असली स्वरूप हो सधैँको। चिन्ता दुःख डर हाम्रो स्वरूप होइन। जन्म मृत्यु हाम्रो अमर संस्कार होइन। हमरो तो जन्म मृत्यु रहित मृत्युंजय हो। तत्वम तत्व विदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्यु जरा तिगा। जन्म मृत्यु बुढ़ापा आदि से रहित जो तत्व ज्ञान से जाना जाता है परमात्मा, जिसको आनंद परमानंद कहा जाता है, वो ही हम लोगों का असली स्वरूप है, अमर स्वरूप है, परिपूर्ण स्वरूप। आनंद परमानंद, चिदानंद, ब्रह्मानंद, शिवानंद ही हम लोगों का मुख्य स्वरूप है, मुक्त स्वरूप है, मौलिक स्वरूप है, ओरिजिनल नेचर मौलिक स्वरूप है। शरीर संसार तो बनावटी है, काल्पनिक है, स्वप्न के तरह है, जादू के तरह है। विश्वगुरु अष्टावक्र यही कहते हैं, स्वप्न इंद्रजालवत, स्वप्न के मुताबिक, जादू के मुताबिक है, वो भी 3 रोज या 5 रोज का। यहाँ जो 3 दिन 5 रोज का संबंध है, मित्रों का, जमीनों का, धन का, पुत्र परिवार का, मकान का, संपत्ति का संबंध 3 और 5 रोज का है केवल दृष्टा से जाना जाता जो आनंद ही आनंद, जो परमानंद है, यही हम लोगों का हमारा असली स्वरूप है। अभी इतना ही करें। हरिओम तत्सत।